All right, frame stretching update number 2. We have chopped the back end off. Went through and already got some sleeves installed. Got those TIG welded in. Waiting on some 1 3/4 DOM tube that's going to slide over the sleeves to fill the gap between where this section is going to sit on those tubes. And then I've been going through filling in all the little holes on the frame for spots that, just where there's holes and stuff that I'm never going to use. And building down there, there, and there. Bunch of stuff there. So just been cleaning up the frame a little bit, getting rid of all the little slag balls that the factory welds leave in here. I've been just taking a little Dremel and knocking those off, cleaning everything up. Yep. Hopefully she'll be going back together here in maybe another week or two. I'll be working on the supports that go up to the roll bars and cross members and X bracing on the back of the cab. Talk to you later, everybody.